let's take a look at this fruit knife. It's a foldable fruit knife that has a fruit peeler in it, and also a bottle opener. It costs around 250 rupees, or around $5 or so. In the instructions they show you the fruit peeler and the bottle opener and the knife. This is how it looks. You can fold them, so it's quite portable to carry. When you want to use one, just take them out. This is the bottle opener. It's a nice combo of fruit peeler and fruit knife. These are Washington apples, 30 rupees each, or around 50 cents each. So let's peel one. Works quite well. I am just bad at fruit peeling, and this is the knife part. The Washington apple tastes more like a pear rather than an apple. Again, this comes really handy, and once you're done, you can easily close it and carry it with you. You can easily carry this in your bag or a backpack. Quite handy, quite nice. Check it out. Quite nice. Check it out.